Hello angels and welcome back to my channel. It is Ray Natural and I'm back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. Today's content is crafted for the Amazon wig shopper and you. Yes, I'm back with another Amazon wig. Y'all know I couldn't stay away in between these series I've been laying out for you all. I just decided to go ahead and drop a wig because my good vendor and good friend at WestKiss Amazon store decided to send me this unit and I just had to give it all to you. Before we get into the holiday season, maybe you want to spruce up your look or gift it to somebody else. No matter what the occasion, I think this wig is a great unit to go ahead and feature here on my channel. So let's get into it. Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. It is a 4x4 closure. Okay, we make it look like frontals over here. The hair I got is 18 inches long, very nice and fluffy. This is the second install here on my head and I'm loving the hair and how it's behaving with these curls. Okay, for the first install it was very simple. I did it the glueless method way, which I tend to do with these Amazon units because I don't really get into all the glue and all that. I like it to be nice and easy, and then if I need to snatch it off at the end of the day, I can go ahead and do that with the little freeze spray. So that's why I always go that route. Put a little concealer, foundation on the lace. I'm looking crazy because I know these kids are gonna be all in my background. Sorry y'all, mom life. Okay, so I went ahead and put the foundation on the lace closure parting, nice little parting space. Okay, and with that foundation it is giving very seamless. I did not even add concealer to this part here that you see because honestly it does something weird with the coloring for me and it looks better without the concealer than with the concealer. Just FYI, the first time I went ahead and tried to straighten the hair, I must have got a hold of some oil or something, but it just desperately needed to be rewashed. Okay, it was giving like oily and stringy, but as you can see here on my hair now, it's giving life. It's giving, oh my baby girl. Okay, let me stop. But yes, I really do like this unit. Minimum shedding, if any at all, which honestly is a key thing for those Amazon wigs. I don't normally get into any shedding. I did not bleach these knots. I don't know if that would still be the case if I did, but honestly I worked with this vendor before and it's just quality wigs for me. Okay, and I can tuck it away, wash it, pull it out, and it comes back to life. I just love the convenience of these wigs, not to mention the price points are acceptable. It gets my frugal approval. Other than that, I will say that I overall like the color of this unit too, even though it kind of does give like a machine. I don't know, it's something for me when I could tell like if it was dyed by hand or like kind of like a computer. I honestly don't know how they dye it, but you can kind of tell when somebody actually does the color themselves versus if it's like manufactured that way. I don't know, but that's the only real raw piece of this review that I'm gonna give y'all because that's the only thing that was like kind of like I like it better than the last highlighter unit I had because the highlights are thicker and more trendy, but again I can kind of tell it's like a manufactured color job. But it's super cute, especially up towards the parting where the highlights kind of get more intense. I think that is so cute. So all in all, gotta give it a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna put this wig in the description below, and who knows, maybe if y'all act right, get in these comments a little bit, like a little bit, 10 likes some more, I might just have to go ahead and drop a Christmas giveaway wig for y'all. I don't know if y'all still watching at this point. I don't know if y'all even want that, but if you do, go ahead and let me know. But as always, I pray you all continue to walk in and live your very blessed life, and as always, be blessed.